Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing to my week 1 unboxing for this Supreme Spring Summer season. So, obviously, the order is here, that's plain and simple, but we've got a little bit before we can jump into obviously getting them out and seeing if they fit. So, the first and foremost is I'm very worried about them fitting or not fitting. This unboxing should have been out yesterday, but it was my nephew's first birthday, so I set it to be delivered to a shop instead. Went, collected it, easy, done. It also doesn't have my name on the front. I don't know if that's a new Supreme thing or something, who knows, but yeah, my name is not on there at all. So it's very helpful when you're trying to collect a package to be like, yes, that's mine, and they're like, well, where's your name? So great. Now my one fear that I mentioned when I was going for them was the sizing. You know, Supreme sizing is 30 to 38, I believe, every 2 in between. I do not wear that. These are my Uniqlos, okay? I have like 4 pairs of Uniqlos. I need to take stuff out of the pockets. Now these Uniqlos are a 28 by 34. So realistically, when I first bought a pair, I bought a 31-32 because I thought that's what I needed. 32 was too short, 31, they were falling. So the worry is that these already, after an amount of time, slip. So the need for a belt is very high, basically, whenever they're worn, unless I want to be standing there like pulling them or moving them about every couple of hours or so, you know, and I already have a ton of room, like I'm very condensed. So it's not like I need the most spacious of pairs overall. But yeah, that is my worry. I actually had to go to a Uniqlo store to exchange them when I was picking up another pair or this pair, purely because of the fact that they don't do that online, and I didn't have the time to send them back and wait for a new pair and this and that. So yeah, they're comfy, they're great. They are like a stretch type, which might not help with them slipping a bit, but at the same time, I've got pairs that aren't stretch, you know, and they're still 28s, and I have 29s as well, and you know, it's just one of those things. Without further ado though, we can go straight into this and unbox them basically. But as per normal, let me know down below whether or not your items have arrived from the drop, whether or not you have shipping or not, whether or not you went in store, and yeah, maybe if you took a W or L, I don't know. But yeah, let's crack this open. Do we get the free gift and a sticker pack? Probably not, no, I don't think so. I think my luck is very high compared to a lot of people when it comes to those pieces. God, this bag does not wanna, do you wanna like tear? Purely because the fact that I've seen so many people order like, you know. What? Never heard that before. Purely because I've seen people have like 30 orders, you know, all manual, and they've only got like single stickers or like no free gifts and anything. They've had such bad luck. Whereas I've been quite lucky, I think, throughout like season to season, that I've been able to get like pretty much every free gift and like a majority of the sticker packs that have like released and come out, and there is nothing in here, is there? Not even a sticker? What? Damn. Serious? Oh, it's inside. It's inside. It's inside. No free gift. We don't get a sponge. No sponge for me. We've got the pancake sticker, the receiver, which is MF Doom, and I'm gonna have to cover up like that. Yeah. The Apex. Yeah, so those are the stickers we get this season. Yeah, okay, jeans. Let's get into it. So, as you see, we've got little tag bit. We've got them as they are. They've got the standard, so let's crack them out and take a gander in the end. Because the thing is, if they're bad, you know, then it's like a hold and sell at some point type of thing. Because that's just the unfortunate outcome that occurs. If it's good, then I don't really care that much, you know. But it's the bad side that, you know, I've had these experiences before, and I don't want to go through them again. So, and now you can get a full look of how they are for the newspaper sort of print that is on this jean. So it's really nice. Okay, it's got a piece of the tissue paper on the inside back that I'll just move to the side. So yeah, So, oh god, they feel a bit big. So this is what they are like. They look really nice, I can't lie. Like, they are really nice. Does it say what the length is at all? Just a regular, 30 regular, just there. So, there's nothing really else to say for them, except let's just see how they fit, I suppose. I've never actually owned a pair of Supreme jeans. Don't get stuck to me. I've had Supreme pants, like joggers, everything like that, but I've never had a pair. God, is it me or are they really long? You can't even see. I'll have to like back you up or something, but they seem rather long. Like, I'll stand up here so that you can see. But like, these are a 34 I've got on. Anyway, let's try them. I'll be back in a flash. Like, hey, like I'll be here in position, and then it's just okay. I'm not gonna lie, we are slightly cooked. They are. Yeah, I've got like, I know people are like they feel normally, but I've got like a solid chunk of space. I'm not gonna lie, and I know that I'm not used to normal sort of jeans insofar as the sense of how they are, you know, like the bagginess. I'm used to, obviously they're regular, I'm used to a bit more of a skinnier fit. I don't know, but they look fine. It's just that they are not on me at the moment. I've actually tucked in my shirt at the back to hold them in place, as it were, because they're slipping a little bit already. But I mean, they look nice, don't they? Hopefully, I don't know, do they? I haven't got a clue. I don't purchase a lot of jeans. I've got like 4 pairs currently. 2 are regular, 2 are skinnier, and then I've got a sort of a smart like pair of pant type. And yeah, they're also just like a slim fit. I think I go for more of a slim, like than anything. But I mean, they're really cool. They are cool. But yeah, damn, I need a belt desperately because this is way too much. But yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions. I don't know. They are really nice. They are definitely nice, but yeah, I feel very spaced with them. I don't know. Maybe I'm the odd one out, but yeah. I mean, they're fine. I've undone that now, but you can see I got a lot of room. But yeah, I think that they're really nice. I do love the print and the look as an overall. I just don't know about, because I'm not used to wearing jeans as a frequent. I went through a phase of like wearing them like religiously every day for like years on years, and then I stopped, and it's only been in the last like 2 years maybe, you know, after like a 7 or 8 year gap, that I've gone back to wearing them again. So yeah, it is actually an 8 year gap. That's crazy. But yeah, it's not like a frequent thing that I'm constantly on my mind. And I know that a lot of people have like crazy jean collections that look great and everything. But it's just, yeah, it's just one of those things where I'm like, you know, I don't know. Maybe it's just because I'm so used to a slim or like skinny fit, insofar as in comparison to like a regular, that it just throws me off when it's like very baggy in comparison, because it's just, I don't know, it's just one of those things. But yeah, let me know anyway. I do think they're really nice. I think they're really cool. I love all of the details, all the Supreme that's on like every single button, everything, but I've never really had anything without a zip. It takes a while. Like, I was like, where is this? What's going on? But yeah, I think they are really nice. I really do. But it's just, you have to get your mind through that, I suppose. But yeah, anyway, that is going to cover this video. So as per norm, thoughts and opinions would be appreciated, obviously. I don't know. I might look like an absolute idiot, but yeah, that's gonna cover it from me. So I do hope that you have a good rest of your day. Other than that, I will see you all next time. Peace.